Brenda Rattray will be joining us for the third annual FLIST Research Hub conference on the 22nd to the 23rd of May. Brenda Rattray is a wonderful creative artist who is the founder of the Voice Expressions company, and she is here to make social change with her music and her style of workshops. It's so important for Brenda to be here. At the moment, I work with a lot of students who always talk about the idea of having their voices heard and not having to feel apologetic of who they are as academics. I believe her workshops will be a wonderful way of being able to convey that message, and for students to share in the message that we're here and we're here to stay. So come along to the FLIST conference on May the 22nd to May the 23rd, where you'll be able to listen to Brenda, talk to Brenda, and even be able to have the opportunity to share some ideas.